too much on expensive shampoos but not getting the desired result. Instead of spending on those branded shampoos and conditioners, you can indulge in home remedies for hair. Today's video will discuss natural way to get great hair. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Follow these easy and simple beauty tips for hair to give that lustre and shine and flaunt your hair like the models do. 1. Egg treatment. If you have dry or brittle hair, use egg whites to moisturize your hair. Use half cup of any egg mixture, egg white or entire egg, and apply to clean damp hair. Leave it for 20 minutes and rinse with cool water. Repeat this process once a week for better results. 2. Avoid hot water. Skip hot water showers because hot water will make your hair dry and brittle as it strips protective oils from your hair. Thus prefer a temperature which is just a bit warmer than your body temperature. 3. Bottle guard treatment. Extract some bottle guard juice and apply it to your hair. Keep these solutions for 30 minutes and wash it off thoroughly. 4. Baking soda therapy. Make a mixture of 3 tablespoons of baking soda and some water. Rinse your hair with these solutions after shampoo. Let it be for at least 5 minutes before the final rinse. This therapy will help remove the excess shampoo and styling products from your hair. 5. Don't wash your hair frequently. Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days for proper regulations of natural hair oil. Washing your hair less often will also help regain your hair's natural body and lustre. Make your conditioner. For a protein-packed conditioner, mix eggs and yogurt and apply the mixture to your scalp. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off completely. 7. For strong hair, use almond oil to treat dry and damaged hair. Pour some almond oil into a bowl and heat it for 40 seconds. Then evenly distribute on your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse normally with shampoo and conditioner using cold water. Are you going to follow these simple beauty tips? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.